we say, what do you know about Ghana Railways? Yes, in Ghana here, we have a railways. I know from Accra, we have a railways down to Takoradi, where you pass Ouagadougou. We have a railways that goes to Kumasi. So, how does our railways function? How does our trains function here in Ghana? It's a topic that's coming your way on the returning channel. Once again, my name is Afcons Infrastructure, AK247. It's a lovely channel that I think we need your support. All what we needed from you is to raise thumb up, subscribe, share. Tell someone to tell someone about the returning channel. Our main vision for this particular video is about Ghana and its railways. So soon we'll be going to the railway office to talk to the pilots, to talk to the rail drivers and the officers, the important people we need to talk to have education about train and railways in Ghana. So I know I've once bought a train from Kantamanto to it passed through Kuma Circle to Aveno, and I dropped. I've never go far with a train, but it's my dream to travel with train in Ghana and see how effective our trains works. So once again, is the returning channel. So this is our train. This is train. Is it the footers? Yes, this is a train. So what is the purpose for this particular one? Is it a passenger train, or they are railways constructed? All this information is coming out very soon, as we'll be talking to the officials who work on the railways and who work on our trains. So once again, this is Mr. Fred Kudomensa, AK247. We are bringing you Ghana train and Ghana railways. So this is the excerpt as we are watching, and where our railways leads to. So with this, we come out with a okay. So as you can see, this is where we see. So it's not with much exaggeration. The way up there you are seeing is the Afcons main road. So that is what you are seeing now. So this is Afcons Tema main road. So this is the railways and the train business thing going on. We'll be talking to the officials, talking to the people, what is happening here. But we are coming up with a topic about Ghana railways and trains. So it's a returning channel. Raise thumb up, subscribe, share with me. Say bye.